Topic is all about climate change. Climate change is significant and lasting change in a statistical distribution of weather patterns over periods ranging from decades to millions of years. It may be a change in average weather conditions, or climate change is caused by factors included oceanic processes such as oceanic circulation, variations in solar radiation received by Earth, plate tectonics and volcanic eruptions, and human-induced alteration of natural world. These later effects currently causing global warming and climate change is often to describe human-specific impacts. Terminology. The most general definition of climate change is a change in statistical properties of a climate system when considered over long periods of time, regardless of cause. Accordingly, fluctuations over periods shorter than few decades, such as El Nino, do not represent climate change. Causes. On the broadest scale, the rate which of energy received from the sun and the rate of which it lost to space determine the equilibrium temperature and the climate of Earth. This energy is distributed around the globe by winds, ocean currents, and other mechanisms to affect climates of different regions. Historical and archaeological evidence. Climate change in the recent past be detected the corresponding change in settlement and agricultural patterns. Archaeological evidence, oral history, and historical documents can offer insight into past changes in climate. Climate change effects has been linked to a collapse of various civilizations. Internal forcing mechanism, natural change in the components of an Earth climate system and their interactions are the cause of internal climate variability. Of internal forcing, scientists generally define the components of Earth ocean variability. The ocean is a fundamental part of a climate system. Some changes in occurring at longer timescales than in the atmosphere, massing hundreds of times more than having very high thermal inertia, such as an ocean depth still lagging today in a temperature adjustment from the Little Ice Age. Short-term fluctuations, years to a few decades, such as the El Nino Southern Ocean of the Pacific, decadal oscillation of the North Atlantic and the Arctic constellation represent climate visibility, play a role in training hard by carrying a very slow and deep movement of water and a long-term distribution of the world's oceans. Volcanism. Volcanic eruptions release gases and particles in the atmosphere. Eruptions large enough to affect climate occur average several times per century and cause cooling by partially blocking the transmission of solar radiation to the Earth's surface. The period of years, the eruption of Mount Pinatubo in 1991, the second largest terrestrial eruption of the 20th century. After the 1912 eruption of Navura Papsa affected the climate substantially, global temperatures decreased by about zero point 0.5 degrees Celsius or zero point 0.9 Fahrenheit. The eruption of the Mount Tambora in 1815 caused a year without a summer. Much larger eruptions in large indigenous province occur only in a few every 100 million years, but may cause global warming and mass extinction. Arctic sea ice loss. The declining Arctic sea ice, both in stack and thickness over the last several decades, in further evidence for every climate change. Sea ice is frozen seawater that floats on the ocean surface. It covers millions of square miles in the polar regions, varying with the seasons in the Arctic. Some sea ice remains year after year, whereas the almost southern ocean Antarctic sea is melts away, and a performing annually satellite observation show the Arctic sea ice in so declining at a rate of 11.5% per decade, relative to the 1979 to 2000 average. Animals remains of the beetles different climate conditions, given the extended lineage of beetles whose generic makeup has not all altered significantly over the millennia. Knowledge of the present climatic range of different species and the age of the sediments which remains are found of past climatic conditions may be inferred. Sea level change. Global sea level change for much of the century has generally been estimated using side gauge measurements called over long periods of time to give a long-term average. More recently, altimeter measurements in combination with accurately determined satellite orbits have provided improved measurements of global sea level change to measure sea levels prior to coastal sediments, marine terraces, or ice in the limestones and their nearshore archaeological remains. The predominant dating methods used in uranium series and radiation with cosmogenic regions being sampling used to date terraces and have experienced relative to sea level fail. Human influences in the context of climate variation are chaotic factors in human activities which affect in the climate and systemic causes of climate change. Is the climate is changing and these changes are in the large caused by human activities and is largely irreversible? Science has made enormous inroads in understanding climate change and its causes, and it's beginning to help develop a strong understanding of current potentials impacts that will affect today and in coming decades. Understanding and is crucial because it allows decision makers to make place climate change in a context of large challenges facing the nation and the world. Post.